Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you are a returning subscriber, and if you're a new subscriber, then welcome, and I want to thank each and every one of you for tuning in. So guys, before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and share. And I really do appreciate you guys for tuning in with me every time I make an upload. So I really appreciate that. I love you guys. Today's video is brought to you guys by Beyond Beauty. Beyond Beauty was kind enough to send me over some hair. I received 3 packs of springy twist hair in the mail, and I think I received them. I've had these for about a week now, so I kind of gave them like a wear test so I can let you know how they stand up to the test of time. I really like the hair, as you guys can see. It's very reminiscent of my own natural hair, which I really like and I really appreciate. I received 3 packs of springy twist hairs in the color 1B. Yeah, in the color 1B, in the length 8 inches. As you guys can see, this is not 8 inches. So when you twist the hair, it actually elongates the shafts. So I would say this is about 12 inches or so. 12 to 14 inches, I would say it got stretched to. Now I did something different with this install. I did not install it on my scalp or in my actual hair. So this is a wig. It's a, I call it a headbandless wig because I didn't attach the headband to it. I tried, but it didn't look good because I did use a mesh cap, so I ended up cutting it off. And I will actually be applying the headband every time I put the wig on, which is no problem for me. I don't mind it. So yeah, this is what it looks like. The hair is super soft, and it's very springy and very bouncy. I did twist my hair using some product. So I have gel in some and I have a hair cream in some of them. I do have clips of that which I will insert, as well as the construction of the cap of the wig. I do have clips of that so you guys can see how I achieved that. Now it's not a tutorial, it's just me showing you what the little steps of what I did. It's by no means a tutorial. I can link the tutorial, however, that I watched down below, because I kind of just wanted to know, very full hair, so I kind of wanted to know about the placement and stuff like that. So I can link that video down below for you guys, because my video is not a tutorial. So if you want to see how to properly twist the hair to achieve the springy twist, I did also watch a tutorial. So I did also watch a tutorial on how to do that, which I can link that down below as well for you guys. But like I said, this is not a tutorial. This is just, me showing you how I achieved this from the raw, unraveled or untwisted springy hairs. The hair has potential to fall way longer than it already does, because as you guys can see, this is where the hair is. Like if I pull it down, like it falls really low. I will leave like all the specifications down in the description box so you guys could feel free to purchase. The hair got to me in 3 days, no, 4 days. The delivery was very quick. Yeah, so some of my twists are not as springy because I tried to split the hair in 2, but that I wouldn't advise you to do that. So I tried to get 2 twists from 1 strand. I wouldn't advise you guys to do that. I would just stick to using 1 strand to I would just stick to using 1 strand to make 1 twist. I'm really enjoying the hair. So, and I could just take it off whenever I want to. So, you know, I stepped out yesterday and I had it on, and as soon as I walked in the door, it was gone. So it's very convenient as a wig. I'm just showing you guys, you know, you don't always have to put it in your hair. If that's your thing, then fine. But this is 3, actually it's not even 3 full packs. I still have like 10 to 15 strands left unbraided, but it's very full. I did the staggering method, so the bricklaying method, I think, or staggering method. That's where you have 2 braids and you put another braid so it falls in the middle. So there's a braid between each between 2 braids. There's a braid falling to kind of fill the space, so it hides it, as opposed to just layering them on top of one another. So as you go up and up and up, there's always still this space. So you know, it would, no matter how high you climb, there will always be a space, as opposed to if you did a staggered method, then there's always one falling in between to, you know, hide the space and the caps and stuff like that. So that's that. I will show you guys with a different headband though, so you guys can see what I'm talking about. It's very easy to change out the headbands. All right, so this is like the other headband, but it's actually a scarf. I just tied around, and it's really cute. I like it. I really like it. It kind of lifts, this one kind of lifts the hair a little bit. So as you can see, the hair looks just a little bit shorter than it was a while ago. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I will link all the specifications down in the description box for you guys, including the videos that I watched to help constructing my units. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love you guys, and I will see you in another video.